Hi you guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a frontal wig. This is the hair that I am using. It's really nice. We're starting off blonde. This is the frontal. So if you want to see how I'm doing this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so now I'm about to start sewing down my frontal. And the way I did it was I put the cap onto a actual human head. I'm not gonna say whose head I used. Normally I would put it on my head, but my hair was not braided down at the time, so I used a male head, and I measured where I need to put the frontal. So once I did that, I marked it off with some chalk, and then I put the frontal on and I started sewing. So yeah. Alright you guys, so once you are finished with your entire wig, you're going to want to cut off this extra cap so that you can see your scalp through the lace, and so it won't be like black with that. So you're just going to get your scissors, and mine are slightly dull, and you want to cut around this edge right here, okay? And what you don't want to do is get too close and end up cutting your stitches. So if you can see your stitches right there, like, you don't want to cut that. You don't want to cut too close. So I suggest you cut like right here. Just leave like a small edge around it when you're cutting it, just so when it starts to like stretch or anything, so that it won't like stretch out of the cap, and so then your thread is going to be loose and you're going to have to redo the wig, and it's going to be a whole struggle. So yes, when you cut it, do not cut at the thread, but leave a little gap. So now here you can see what I mean by leave a little bit of like leg room for you to be able to work with, and you'll have this piece here left over from your cap. And what I have seen some YouTubers do is cut off this little fabric part and use this elastic band here for your ear to ear, and that's if you are a fan of the elastic band method. I don't really use the elastic band method, but I mean, you could, you absolutely could use that method. So you guys, that is it for this tutorial on how to do a frontal wig. And as you can see, it is giving me Rapunzel vibes. Do you feel me? Do you hear me? This hair is thick, this hair is soft, this hair is just, yes. And then with blonde hair, of course, you don't have to worry about tinting or bleaching the knots because we got blonde. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this. And in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to dye this hair, and also how to pluck the lace here, because as you can see, if you can, that it's not plucked yet and it's still very thick. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Yes ma'am. And I will catch you in the next video.
Dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that